Hello everyone, welcome to the Python programming course introduction lecture. Please, whatsoever you do, make sure not to skip this lecture as we're going to be talking about useful tips and how to get the best out of this course. These are the things we're going to talk about in this lecture. First, we're going to talk about useful tips for going through the course. Next, we're going to talk about how to get help during this course. Next, we're also going to talk about advice on how to approach this course, where to find the course notebook, and how to use the student community channel. Basically, if you feel I'm talking too fast or too slow, please do well to use the gear settings to speed up or slow down the video. Also, make sure to use the comment section as previous discussion will be available there. How can you get help when you are taking this course? Double check against course notebook in case you have any error running your code, just to make sure that what you are writing and what is in the course notebook basically correlates. Also, you can do a quick Google or Stack Overflow search so that you can get more info on that particular error. Also, you can check the comment section of the course. There you are going to see previous conversation or questions that have been asked by previous students. You can ask questions on community group. Basically, you can share details on what you have tried. Also, you can share screenshot of error or code. And if you want to join my community, you can do well to click on the link in the description box below. It's going to take you there to join my community channel. If you want to collaborate or extra level questions or issue, you can do well to mail me as this email that is displayed on the. How to approach this course? The best way to approach this course is to review the notebook alongside with the video. So if you are a beginner, if you're an absolute beginner, what you can do is you can read extra notes in the notebook along with the video guide. So as you're watching the video, you can also do well to read extra notes that's going to be provided for you in the course notebook. If you are experienced, what you can do is you can basically just read through the notebook to see if you only need to review certain parts of the video lecture. So how can you get the course notebook? To get the course notebook, you can check the link in the description box below. A GitHub repository is going to be attached there, which is going to take you to all the course notebook and materials that we're going to use throughout this particular course. Later on, we are going to review how to download and open them running Python code. On your student community channel, please make sure to communicate and stay active on your respective community groups. So whatsoever community channel you join, please make sure to stay active there, and you can ask any question whenever you're taking the course or whatsoever time you're taking the course in case you need any help. And remember that the purpose of the community is to connect students with other students. So if you're a beginner or if you're experienced, you can do well to join my community. And basically, you are going to be able to connect with like-minded individuals like you. And also, technical questions related to course material are best suited for the comment section. But if you want extra help, you can also do well to drop it on my community. And basically, you are going to be responded to. So now let's take a look at Python 2 versus Python 3. So Python 2, and basically how do we know how to choose between Python 2 and Python 3? Well, choosing between Python 2 and Python 3 used to be a very difficult decision for newcomers to the Python programming language. Many companies still had legacy Python 2 code to be maintained. And Python 2 was basically the older version of how Python was written compared to Python 3. But for this course, we are majorly going to focus on Python 3. And if need be, going back to Python 2 syntax is a very easy jump once you know Python 3 very well. So don't worry, just make sure you stick and follow along with the Python 3 syntax I'll be showing you. And if need be for you to go back to Python 2, or you want to use the syntax, or you want to work on any projects, it's going to be a very easy jump for you. All right. So Python 3 is the future of Python, and we are going to Python 3 for this course. And with that being said, in the next lecture, we're going to look at an overview of Python programming language. See you there.